Hi, in this video we are going to see assistant professor vacancies from the multiple colleges. Okay, so here I am going to show you the vacancies from the 7 different private colleges. I think it will be the wonderful opportunity to the candidates who are looking for the faculty job notifications in this pandemic situation with only post graduation, PG plus UGC net and PhD. Okay, for all these different categories here the vacancies I am going to show you. So please don't forget to share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding this recruitment notifications from the 7 different colleges. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET exam, the free online classes are provided for the paper 1 as well as for the electronic science on the Unacademy platform, and the link I kept in the description box of this video, so you may check down guys. And while coming to the paid courses are also available on the Unacademy to crack the UGC NET JRF. So here the 6 different types of courses are currently running on this one. The regarding this one, the details I kept in the description box of this video and the links also I kept, so please check down those. Coming to the present content of the video, so the first college we are going to see Tasim Bevi Abdul Kadir College for Women. So career options are there, and you may see that professor associate as well as assistant professor vacancies are announced in this college for the following departments and female candidates only. So the departments are Arabic, English, Commerce, Home Science, Fashion or Designing, or Nutrition and Dietetics, Computer Science, Microbiology, and the Psychology. Qualification as per the UGC norms, PG with the NET or SET or PhD is preferable. If you're having only post graduation, then no problem. Okay, try to send your resume to the provided mail ID because they are telling that NET or SET or PhD is a preferable, not mandatory. Fine. So send your resume on or before 26th July 2021, and here the mail ID is provided as well as the WhatsApp number is also provided. Fine. So the candidates belongs to these departments with only post graduation also send your resume to this provided mail ID on or before 26th July 2021. And coming to the next one is SKP campus from Pune. Appointments are invited from eligible candidates for the department for the following post on ad hoc basis for the academic year 2020-21. So the first one is Danyan Sagar Institute of Management and Research MBA as well as the Commerce College. So here the professor, associate, assistant placement officer, academic counselor, admission counselor and the marketing executives are required. And here the assistant professor, receptionist, librarian and the physical director is required. Qualification experience scale of pay and allowance as per the ACT or the Savitribai Phule Pune University or the government of Maharashtra norms. Eligible and interested candidates should apply within 8 days from the date of this advertisement. Fine. So here the mail ID is provided that you may check down. Contact number as well as the mail ID is there. If you are having any query regarding this recruitment notification, then you may call to this number. So before that one, please once visit the official website of this college. Right? And coming to the next one is, I will little bit zoom this one guys. So Madurai Institute of Social Sciences. So from this one, wanted assistant professor for the departments of social work, Tamil, English, maths, commerce, computer science, business administration, psychology. Fine. And MSW social work with 4 specializations are there: human resource management and IR, community development, medical and psychiatric social work, and family and child welfare. And the UG and PG course are also mentioned here, so you may check down guys. Interested candidates may apply online with respect to the official website itself. So once visit the official website of this college, that is misscollege.edu.in. So in that website, check for this recruitment notification and just follow whatever the procedure they given for the online application format. Fine. And coming to the next one is Indira Gandhi University, Rewari. So from this one here we got the recruitment notification regarding the departments psychology, economics and social work, and here the preferred specializations are also mentioned. You may check down. So for the post of assistant professor on contract basis, and which may be extended from year to year basis or till the regular appointment is made by the university. Interested candidates may send their application form. In the NHURA, the application form is there with requisite documents of qualification, copies of the best publications and reputed journals, latest by 30th July 2021 through hard copy. Right? That means you have to once visit the official website of this college, okay, and you will get this notification. Take down the printout of this one and fill up all the details and attach the necessary documents to this one. and then sent to the university by post. Fine. I mean hard copy. You have to send on or before 30th July 2021. And coming to the next one is Maharshi University of Information Technology. So we'll zoom out. Yeah. So invites application for its main campus at Lucknow and other campus at Noida. So professor, associate and assistant professor at the schools of in the Lucknow campus, science, commerce, management, engineering and technology, humanities and arts and pharmacy. In the Noida campus, animation, computer science and engineering, data science, law, journalism and mass communication. And coming to the non-academic for both the campuses, control of examination, editor, print, digital and electronic media lab assistant director, head admission cell, admission counselor, IT head, training and placement officer, office assistant, librarian, lab assistant, front office executive, sports teacher, computer operator, incubator promotion executive, coordinator, telecaller and the HR executive. Fine. So the interested candidates may visit the official website of this Maharshi University. In the official website, if you go to the career form, then you will get the online application form fill up. So you have to fill up that one. Latest by 30th July 2021. Right. And coming to the next one is Siddharth Institutes. We are hiring professor, associate, and assistant professor in the departments of computer science and engineering, agriculture engineering, mechanical engineering, computer science and information technology, civil, MBA, MCA, CSC, electrical and electronics. And coming to the humanities, mathematics, English, physics and chemistry. Candidates are requested to apply on or before 30th July. So for this one also you have to visit the official website of this college. In the official website you will get the online application form. If you're having any queries regarding this one, here the contact numbers are also provided. So you may check out guys. You may contact to these numbers. Right? And coming to the next college is GVR and yes Junior and Degree College. So in this one, interviews will be held on 22nd July 2021 morning 10 to afternoon 2 o'clock. Contact numbers are there. And teaching inter, mathematics, physics, chemistry, English, degree, mathematics, computer, commerce, English, qualification PG plus 5 to 10 years of experience is required. Non-teaching, male and female in charges and wardens, qualifications, any degree. Okay, I mean regarding the non-teaching position. So candidates should bring their resumes along with the certificates or else send your resumes to the gvrscollege@yahoo.com. Right? So total these are the different colleges. The colleges as well as the contact numbers and the mail IDs are provided. So if you are having any queries regarding this one, then you may contact to the provided number guys. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunity. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So listen guys.
Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of electronic science as well as the general paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course including the free online classes also guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself, I'm Ashwini Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free guys, that anybody can able to access this one, and just click on this see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscriptions. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down guys the different plans. For 1 month 2,900, and for 3 months 2,823, and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge for 1 month. And if you want to get the 6-month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of this different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video guys. You may check down. And apart from this one, the electronic science new batch course is already started from 12th May onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, and this course runs up to 3 months guys. That means from May 12th to August 12th. So the complete UGC NET electronic science syllabus will be discussed here in detail by keeping in mind the previous year NTA UGC NET question papers also, which will be very much helpful for you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Okay, so already the previous batches, okay, so many candidates cracked the JRF, and a few candidates are getting the admission into the PhD admission in the IIT also. So you may check down my dedications in my profile link. So it is my profile link, and if you click on here the dedications, okay, you may check down. So all the students are very nicely satisfied, okay, regarding the teaching as well as their preparation. Fine. So you may check down here guys. So by looking all these things and by looking at the special classes, that means which are free, that you may check down, okay, how the classes are going on and how the live interaction will be. Okay, so based upon all these things, you may decide. And please take the subscription plan guys, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Fine.